Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Hey, barbers come into the shop and get the coffee on for the clients. They make sure the fridge is stocked with cold drinks. They make sure that candy is available for kids. They clear their throat and open the door, and then the clients come walking in. When you're looking through the glass into the shop, what you see is a place ready to receive. However, there is another angle to barbering that you don't know. Today, I am going to get you to take a look at barbering from a different angle. Let's talk about the setup. Now, barber chairs are not cheap. They go from about $400 on up to thousands of dollars. I wonder if people ever wonder when little Jaquan is jumping out the seat to land on the floor, if they know the real reason why barbers holler, "Don't you jump out my chair." See, the barber is concerned that if your shoe cuts a hole in my seat, little one, I'm going to have to put some tape there until I can find a way to get it repaired. Damn. Let's talk about business. Now, barbering is a business. If you are not investing in yourself, then you are not introducing your clients to all that you can do. I asked a barber once if he did facials in his shop, and he replied, "My clients won't like that." Always remember that what you won't do, another barber will. Now let's talk about advice. Clients sit in the chair and will share with you some of their best moments and some of their worst moments. You as a barber have to know what to do or say at the drop of a dime. Now, you have to analyze the client and the situation, and words that come out of your mouth have to motivate, move mountains, and be helpful. Behind the scenes, you should see me reading books and listening to therapy sessions on YouTube. Some of the stuff I hear, I have already read about. And plus, I decided to become a life coach because some of the advice I was giving was so good, I impressed myself. I was so motivated after talking to one client, I went outside and washed the car, raked the leaves, walked the dog, and painted the house. No, not really. Today we have talked about barbering at a different angle and shared behind the scenes info that your clients don't know. I also shared a great quote to remember: what you won't do, another barber will. If you like this video, please make sure you like and share it. You can find out more about the school at howardbrownonline.com. And you can find us on Facebook at Howard Brown Online Barber College. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.